Today, we're going to build a micro ship in the bottle using 16 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is create the ship for our ship in the bottle. And to do that, we grab one of these small 1x1 plate pieces. And on top of that 1x1 plate, we just get a 1x1 slope piece and put them right on top like this. And there we have a micro sailboat. Now, to create a tighter fit and to make the illusion of it sailing on the water, we're going to get a 1x1 round plate and just put it on the bottom of our tile piece right here. And now it's ready to go into our bottle. So we get one of these clear translucent dome pieces, and you put it so that the sloped small end goes into the front of the bottle. And this takes a lot of maneuvering because you're not really attaching this to anything, you're just putting it in there. And now in the back, to secure it so it doesn't move around once it's in there, you get another round translucent blue plate, and you put it so that the stud goes towards the boat and the flat end is facing out. And that's so when we grab our boat stud here, our translucent boat stud, and put it in the back, it will close securely. And you might need to kind of fidget around and fiddle around until it does fit, but there you have our ship in the bottle. Now, to create the neck of the bottle, we're going to get one of these 1x1 round gold plates and put it in the front. That's going to be kind of the wrapper around the neck of a bottle. And then here we've got a round 1x1 brown brick plate, and we're going to put that to be like the cork into the bottle. And here we have our micro ship in the bottle. To create the stand for our ship in the bottle, we're going to get one of these 2x3 plates, and on the end of those 2x3 plates, we're going to get 1x2 plates and just put them on both ends of our larger plate piece. Now in the center, we've got this little gap. In that gap, you're going to put a 1x2 tile piece and just kind of put it in there, and it makes it nice and even. And the reason I'm using this dark brown color is because I like the finished wood effect that it gives, but you can use whatever colors you want. Now on these 4 studs I have exposed, we're going to get these 1x1 round tile pieces with bar on top and just put them on all 4 studs. And these are going to be the stands that hold up our ship in the bottle. Now once those are in place, we're ready to put our ship in the bottle on top of our stand.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.